let's get a little pullback on this. If we could get a dip back into this 3306 area, get VPOC down here, that'd be nice. Might take 5 minutes for this thing to set up, but I like it. I got an order sitting out. I don't know if I'll get filled or not, but I got an order sitting out. Let's see if I can get filled on it. Didn't get full size, but that's right. I paid myself 3. I still got 1 contract. I got 1 contract left here. I'm gonna put a profit stop in place and just let it take me out. I don't care. It's a good win. Video looks good. I'm gonna get video up here. Nice pullback there on NVDA. Nice. We got a good setup. We still got room to 275. Anyway, got a little bit of NVIDIA going here. I really want to just take some profits into 260 on this thing and then hold on to the rest. So if we can just get a bounce here. There we go. Get on up there.
Order filled.
Top of the hour. Pay myself a little bit on the NVIDIA. NVIDIA had to take some profits here. It's a big hourly candle, right? Huge, man. And so I just paid myself very well.